Hello, superstars. How are you? Welcome to lesson 3 of blending fun words. Today, we are going to blend more CVC words. Are you ready? Do you know what a CVC word is? It is a special word with 3 sounds like hen. A CVC word is made up of a consonant at the beginning, a vowel at the middle, and a consonant at the end. Before we start blending, let's recap the sounds we'll be blending today. Say after me. Mm, mm. Say after me. D. V. Can you say after me? Z. Good job. It is blending time. Say after me as we blend together. Eh. Mm. Hen. Eh. Hen. Let's move on to the next word. Eh. Mm. Ten. 10. Let's try to blend this word. Mm. Eh. Mm. Man. Man. Good job. You are doing a great job. Now let's try to blend this word too. B. Eh. Mm. Ben. Ben. Good job. Now let's move on to the next word. Mm. Eh. Met. Met. Good job. Now let's move on to the next word. Eh. Let. Let. Good job. Can you guess this word? Let's try to blend it together. V, E, T, vet, vet. You are doing a great job. Let's keep on going. Now let's blend this word together. Wo, E, T, wet, wet. Good job. Can you guess the next word? Let's blend together. N, E, T, net, net. Good job. Can you guess this word? Let's blend together. O, E, T, pet, pet. You are doing a great job. Keep going. You can do it. D, E, T, jet, jet. Good job. Let's try to blend this word. B, E, G, bag, bag. Good job. Now can you guess this word? Let's blend together. E, G, leg, leg. Good job. Let's blend this word together. E, D, lead, lead. Let's blend together. E, D, red, red. Good job. Now let's blend the last word together. S, E, D, fed, fed. Good job. Wow, you did a great job. Guess what? It is time to read fun sentences together. Read with me. Say each sentence with me. The hen met the vet. The man led the hen to the vet. The vet got the leg. Ten men let the pet beg. Ben fed the hen. Ben met the red hen. The jet is wet. Ben met the red hen. Good job. You're officially a phonics superstar. So now we are going to recap the words we learned today. Say each word with me. Are you ready? Let's go. Hen, ten, men. Say each word with me. Ben, met, let, pet, vet, wet. You are doing a great job. Keep going. Net. Now let's say the last word together. Jet. Good job. You did amazing. Now I want you to find CVC words around you and type it in the comment section. That is all for today. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.